Just finished oiling the back. Gave me a chance to see if any screws were missing. There was like 3 or 4. Put them in. This is a piece of paneling. I think I mentioned it before. It came off a house where they wanted to remove the paneling. I did notice that maybe an air over here. It looks like this was not held tight when I screwed it in. So I need to turn this over, see if this corner is square, and I'm guessing it's not, which means I'm going to have to take this off, recut this one here, and recut a couple pieces in here to get it to fit right. So it's kind of a bummer. I did this, but I'm pretty sure it's a mistake. I just didn't hold it tight when I was screwing them in, and therefore I'm going to have to change some pieces, but I'd rather get it right. So I'm going to turn it over and put the square on it, see if I need to rework that corner. It's not going to waste anything because I'm going to have to just cut to get things to refit. And I didn't oil the other side yet, so it's not a problem. I could still do it even after oiling, but the problem is the oil gets into the belt sander belt and kind of sticks in there, and it's hard to get out. So if you notice any errors, you want to sand them before you notice that, or use a hand piece of sandpaper, which doesn't matter as much. Okay, let's turn it over, see what we got to do.